Hi guys, welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have had positive and productive weeks this week. So I'm trying to cut down on my intro time. So I'm going to go ahead and say that today, this week, I did a sprayed edge on Romanov by Nadine. So here is the book and here is the sprayed edge. We have this beautiful coiling square design in gold, in a metallic gold on a red background. So here's how I did it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. Here is another closer look of the red and gold square pattern that runs all the way around. Now, this particular stencil will be on my Etsy store along with a bunch of other similarly styled stencils. I'm hoping that I can get them put on demo books pretty soon, so you can see what they'll look like. They'll be put on demo books, meaning they'll probably be put on books that I get from a charity shop, so that you can see what the designs will look like. I'm trying to sell stencil sets so that you can get more than one stencil in your order. Speaking of orders, I have had an uptick in sales on Etsy of people purchasing books that I've already designed, people purchasing custom commissions, which has all been really fantastic, and I feel so blessed that people are paying me to paint their books and that they like my artwork enough to pay to have me to do it for them. But that does mean that I'm having less time to paint books, because obviously I work a full-time job as well as doing this, and I have other things and other pressures on my time. As such, you may see an uptick in more vlog type stuff, because I still want to make content, but I might not be able to do unique designs every single week. It may have to be a unique design every 2 weeks, and then I'm not sure what I'll do in the middle. Maybe vlog, maybe show you some artwork stuff, maybe show you some other studio vlog type things. Let me know if you have any ideas on what you would like to see more of. I'm planning on doing a vlog once a month, I think. So there'll be an April studio vlog, a May studio vlog, a June studio vlog, and so on and so forth. The studio vlogs will be tailored towards the running of my Etsy shop, painting up books, shipping out orders. Or would you prefer a more lifestyle type vlog where I show you, you know, when I go to the dentist or play with my cat or go on holiday? So what would you guys like to see? I'm leaning more towards a studio vlog because obviously it's more book orientated and book art orientated. Either way, I'm going to try and do a book art video at least every 2 weeks with a brand new design. So if I set that mindset out for myself, then I'm hoping I can accomplish it. Coming up soon in terms of design, I will be doing design for A Court of Frost and Starlight and A Court of Silver Flame, so the two Sarah J Maas books that I haven't yet done. I'm also planning on doing one for A House of Earth and Blood, but I don't want to do Sarah J Maas back to back all the time. I have a big electronics project planned for Cinder, and I have a big one planned for Scarlet as well. Kingdom of the Wicked and A Deadly Education are going to definitely get sprayed edges. I just haven't decided if I'm going to do a cover design as well yet. I'm also going to do A Song of Wraith and Ruin like really soon, like really soon. I'm pretty sure that will be the next unique design video that comes out. I'm also planning on doing the rest of the Stalking the Jack the Ripper series. So yeah, there is a lot coming your way. If there is a particular book that you want to see me do please reach out, let me know in the comment section so I can prioritize my TBR. I'm also hoping to do a Clockwork Angel. I think that's Cassandra Clare. Now, I've read none of the Shadowhunter series, like none at all, but I think this is a new series that I can jump in at, so that won't be too confusing for me. I probably won't get any of the Easter egg type references, but that's okay, and I figured that if I love this series enough, then I can go back and start to read some of the Shadowhunter stuff. I don't know how that just skipped me by when I was in school, but it did. But yeah, as with everything, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Did you like this design? Would you have picked the inverted colours? Because I couldn't decide between doing the red square design or the gold coiled square design. I obviously went for the gold in the end, and I do think that it stands out a lot better than having the red in the centre. And I do love that metallic shine that it has. I'm also going to be playing around with some different painting and spraying techniques, involving some different products to see if I can find a maybe either slightly cheaper or easier or cost-effective way, because I know that some of the paints that I have, the stencils that I provide, you know, not everybody can do that. Anyway, I hope you guys have liked this video this week. If you have, like, thumbs up, subscribe, comment. All of the engagement really helps my channel, and I thank you to everyone who has subscribed. I think I recently passed the 225 milestone, which for me is insane. Like, I can barely believe that I'm already on 225 subscribers. I think that I had like 100 back in November, so this is mad to me. And thank you everyone who has helped make that happen. I hope you have had positive and productive weeks this week, and I will see you next time. Bye!